Criticizing the West Bengal government, the Supreme Court said it can't comprehend how the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee-led state government couldn't handle the issue of vandalism at RG Kar College, where a doctor was raped and killed. The court added the state government was expected to protect the crime scene. It said the state government must ensure the vandals are arrested. The court urged the doctors and medical professionals across the country who are abstaining from work in protest of the rape and murder of a junior doctor to resume the work at the earliest. The Assam Gana Parishad AGP has once again voiced its opposition to the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA, citing its harmful impact on Assam. At a series of meetings held in Bajali, AGP leaders reiterated their commitment to safeguarding Assam's regional interests and urged the Supreme Court to intervene in this matter. The Congress in Meghalaya may lose the post of leader of opposition in the Meghalaya Assembly due to its reduced strength. With only one MLA remaining in the 60-member House, the party no longer meets the numerical criteria for the position. Ronnie V. Lingdo, the lone Congress MLA from Milam in Meghalaya, had been appointed leader of opposition on June 8. However, the party's strength had dwindled from 5 to 1, paving the way for the Trinamool Congress, which is 5 MLA, to claim the post. Namsai police have apprehended 3 of the 4 inmates who escaped from Namsai jail earlier this month. The arrest took place last night following an intensive search operation. The captured fugitive include Mineshwar Dihingya, an NSCN youth commander, along with Arjun Kanda and Robin Surin, who were apprehended in Likangohain and Pionkachari villages respectively. The Assam police is set to transfer 2 cases related to the Alpha Independent Bomb Threat on Independence Day to the National Investigation Agency (NIA), according to Assam Director General of Police DGP Gyanendra Pratap Singh. The announcement was made today. Speaking to India Today Notice, DGP Singh said that the Assam police registered 10 cases following the militant outfit United Liberation Front of Assam Independence claim of planting explosive in 25 locations across the state on August 15. 2 of these cases will be handed over to the National Investigation Agency, 1 case of Guwahati and Lakhimpur each, Singh said. US intelligence officials confirm Iran was responsible for a recent cyber attack on Donald Trump's presidential campaign, aiming to disrupt and undermine US elections. The hack targeted both Trump and Kamala Harris campaigns using spear-phishing tactics. The FBI and other agencies reported increased Iranian cyber activity this election cycle. Punjab FC have robbed in Argentine midfielder Norberto Ezequiel Vidal as the 5th foreign signing for the 2024-2025 season. The Argentine player last featured for Indonesian top-flight side Persita Tangerang. The 29-year-old was born in Bahia Blanca in Argentina and primarily plays as an attacking midfielder or a winger.